Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel. It's Delaney.
I'm Chip.
And today we're going to be doing our, what is it, July?
Yes, it is July.
Our July 2-in-1.
Yes.
So this is the time where we're going to pick 2 palettes and then we're going to make 2 different looks. So you're going to get 4 entire looks in this video. And then stay tuned for our 2-in-1 switch, which will be another video coming out in a couple weeks. They always come out on Mondays, so you can't forget.
What palette are you using?
I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics Aurora Lights palette. Yay!
It's gorgeous.
It's all shimmers, but they're all really pretty, and it has, you know, cools. Let me get to the right side. Cools and then warms. So, you know, I mean, like, I can't complain. I swatched it in Ulta, and I fell in love, and I had to buy it because, you know, it was like $5.
Yeah.
Just kidding. It's like 8.
8.
But...
And I'm using the Taco by Glamlite.
Open it up. I haven't seen it in person
You
yet.
haven't?
No.
Yes, it's great. It's pretty dope. I actually think I like this over the pizza and the burger.
Chip, there's only like 3 browns in there.
It's so good.
So I went ahead and primed my eyes already with Urban Decay Primer Potion because that's where we at right now. NYX is still in timeout. I'm gonna dip into Glowing first, which is like a nice, limey, crusty looking green. You know, my favorite kind of green. I'll be dipping in my trusty Morphe M412. What I like about this BH Cosmetics is that it's just so like light and airy, so if you're not like a heavy-handed person, you can just go on in. You don't have to worry about hard lines or anything. Just blend them out because they're just...
I'm going in with Salsa Roja.
But yeah, I'm like barely dipping into these little like baked shadows, and like look at that pigmentation. Like, and I like the way that they wear. So like if you're out in the sun and you're like sweating, like this is a really good brand with their baked formula to just wear because it like recedes very nicely. It doesn't completely fade out. But, like, it doesn't look like trash, like creasy and nasty.
Doesn't build up.
It doesn't build up.
That's
and
good.
where it wears, like, you know, gracefully. And then for the lid, we're going to go with AUSTRALIS, I think is how you say it. Don't come for me. It's like a nice muted swampy green.
I'm going in with Guacamole, and I'm just going to add that to the perimeter of the red I just laid down. I know, crazy, but it'll work.
And then to apply this on the lid, I'm using my trusty Sephora Pro 14 Action. Remember to pack it today. I didn't leave her at home.
Yeah.
Third shade is going to be Magnetic, and it is like this navy blue. These are just blending like a dream. Like, I don't even have to do any work. BH is a really good beginner brand.
I'm going to go in with Mexican cheese on my finger. Yes, my nails popped off. We're just not going to talk about it, but we're just going to...
I was going to ask, you got a few going on there. I'm going to take the Morphe E36 and just take Magnetic a little bit down on the lower lash line. And then I'm going to be mixing Glowing on towards the inner corner lower lash line.
Mexican cheese is like my favorite shade out of this palette.
So moving on to eyeliner, we're going to be using the ColourPop Cream Gel Liner, which is my fave. And this is in DTLA. I'm going to move to mascara. This is the TRESTIQUE. But it has like a little curler in it as well. She's thick. She's thick. She's like a dubious pigment.
Yeah.
But yeah, I thought it was cool. I'm not going to use the curler. But
for this lip, I'm going to go in with this lipstick.
I'll be picking up the Baby Bad Dauntless. It's like a nice deep teal.
So this is the Fenty Matte Lipstick in Candy Venom. It'll be becoming my favorite mascara.
It has the same applicators this one looks like. Yeah, very similar.
Yeah.
Twins. This was such an easy look.
Right? I'm like, did I even apply eyeshadow? What's your favorite like eyeshadow look? Like if or like style? Like cut crease or smoky or halo?
I like barely ever do a halo eye, to be honest. I'm normally doing like a faux cut crease. Like I just don't want to mess with concealer. So I'm normally like I'm doing the inner corner a different color and then the outer corner is always a darker color. So that's probably my go-to, but it just fits my eye shape a lot better. Plus I'm normally like a 3 to 4 eyeshadow girl. So like that's pretty much where I'm at. I like smoky. I've been really feeling like eyeshadow wings lately.
Yeah.
Just put me a little strip of tape on there and just go hard and I just rip it off and it's perfect. Yeah. How about you?
I think I'd go smoky first and then cut crease second. I really like a cut crease, but it's just the work to
get it. If it's got a white liner in it, you
Yes. Yes.
That's your fave.
Yes. And then I'm always like, is it even with the other eye? Oh, I like the colors. That works. That's beauts. Yes.
I have a theme and it's green.
So yeah, this is pretty. I really love that Mexican cheese. Like it's everything right now.
I can't wait to jump into it. But we got another look to go. So we're going to jump into close-ups and then we'll come in for look number 2. Look number 2, Chip's taping back the teeth.
I'm ready.
What colors are we taking?
So I'm thinking this one, we're gonna go on this area range. Stay over here. Just stay in this little corner. But without using Mexican cheese. Yeah, we're gonna go metallic.
You won't use Mexican cheese this time?
Nah, we'll stay away from Mexican cheese. I know, it's gonna be really hard.
I love
like
cheese.
My favorite. My cheese is good. It's like my favorite shade, but
I'm gonna be going with a nice goldeny look. Same brush, Morphe M412 to do my creasy, and then we're gonna be going in with Kaleidoscope, which is this really nice like pinky duochrome goldy shade. So you may not see it a whole lot in camera, but the swatch, amazing. You could use it as a highlight if you really wanted. Okay, so we're gonna go in with Pollo, and I'm using the Morphe M335 brush, and this is a pretty large brush, but I just want to use it as like my all lid transition, and so because it's so large, I can just do this. Okay, Sephora Pro 14. Make sure I clean this off a little bit because green is very unforgiving when you're going gold. And we're gonna dip into Sparkling, which is a very similar tone of Kaleidoscope, but it's more yellowy gold instead of like pinky.
I'm going in with the Morphe M574. This is kind of like a pointed brush, and I'm just kind of working against my tape for right now. Delaney gave me such a great idea, so I'm taking it. We're doing a liner look with tape.
Now these shades that I'm using here, they're really light. So you could definitely, like I said, use them as a highlight if you wanted. You would want to obviously use a fluffy brush and not a packing brush. But that's what I also like about their baked formula is that they are so light that you could just literally blush it off. Last shade, 24 karat. And it is like this deep gold, like true gold, most goldy gold.
Most goldy gold.
Outer corner.
Okay, with the same brush, I'm going to go in with Pico de Gallo and place that right next to the other shade. Now there is fallout with more of the metallic shades in this palette, so.
This shade would be really great if you're just going from like a nice bronzy golden summer look. You could just put this like lightly all over the lid. There's some gloss on top and use Gucci.
You're done.
Chip loves a glossy lid, right?
Yes, I don't. What? I thought you were gonna say lip. I was like, yeah.
I got you, girl. I got you.
I was like, my brain processed lid, and I was like, wait a minute. No. So
I'm sure it's coming across on camera like you could really only see that gold shade that I put down because the other ones are so light. But in the sun, in person, it's gonna look beautiful. We're totally gonna go out in the sun, right, Chip?
Okay, so this shade that I'm using is called Onions. I'm putting onions in my water duct.
Another ColourPop cream gel liner. This is Dirty Talk. Same mascara. TRESTIQUE. And this, I didn't say the name before, but it's the Good Vibes mascara. And it's giving me good vibes. It's a little thick for the formula, and I'm so used to like the Tartiste, but that I like to reserve that kind of formula for like lashes. And this is a mascara that I wanted to try on a day that I wasn't gonna wear lashes.
Same mascara. Big ego.
Lip, we're going to be taking one of the new lips from Bella Gaunt, their summer release. This is Summer Sunset. These have like a nice like tropical smell to them. And it lingers for a little bit. I would say like within the first hour it kind of goes away. So if you're triggered by smells, just be aware.
So for this lip, I'm going in with the Fenty matte lipstick, and this is in Single, which is a really nice brown toned lip. I love the lip. I think that's my favorite lip that you use. Yeah.
I like the lip that you picked. It looks really good on you.
Right?
Just help bring some brightness to your face because you're getting so dark.
I am. The sun is making me so black.
Oh my god. You're getting toasty roasty.
But the lucky thing, I don't peel, so that's great. Like, I just have to stay indoors, and I kind of like revert back to like my.
I must soften back up.
Yeah, but
I'm too crusty.
Girl, yes.
I just burn.
Do you peel?
Yeah. I used to be able to just tan, and then when I was a kid, I got burned really bad when I was doing a car wash.
Yeah.
Because I was dumb and I didn't put sunscreen on. I'm surprised I didn't get like level 4 cancer or something. But it was so bad that like when I would sweat, like it would stuck under my skin. I like weird stuff like that.
What?
I was like, yes. Picking off the
"Ah."
skin was a dream, but living through the pain of the burn, that sucked. Because like my shoulders got all scabby. And yeah, so now I just burn. I don't take that. But yeah, we hope you guys liked look number 2. We're going to do some close-ups and yeah. On the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching this one today. We'll link the second 2-in-1 when it becomes available. Probably in a couple weeks. They're always available on Mondays, as I said at the beginning. But yeah, hit the bell before you go. Subscribe. Leave us some comments below.
Yeah. We're ready to do another challenge video. So what kind of challenge do you guys want to see from us?
We'll see you guys on the next one.
Bye.